name 3sum, in which we find the pairs of the 3sum elements using the array and create their group. Like you are given an array of integer, your task is to find all the unique triplets in the array which sum up to 0. Formally, you need to return a list of all triplets like nums I, nums j, and nums k. First that I not equal to j, I not equal to k, and I not equal to k. So the triplet combination must be unique. No duplicate triplet are allowed in the result. Find all the valid triplets that sum to 0, and each triplet must be written in non-descending order. The final list of triplets should be not contain any duplicate triplet. Okay. So like you give an input like -1, 0, 1, 2, -4. So your output is the triplets of the array, unique triplets. Okay. So this question we follow using two approaches. First is brute force approach and second is optimized approach. So first we follow using brute force approach. So now let's go to VS Code. Now we write approach 1. Okay. So we write the function first. Function we create a function name 3sum and give value array nums. Okay. Now create a variable name result to store the result if you array. Now we can also find the length. So we find using nums dot length. Nums dot length. Okay. Okay, the length are fine. Now we create a loop, for loop. Let initialize with 0, I less than n minus 2. Then I increase. Then another for loop that start with way equal to I plus 1, j less than n minus 1, j plus plus. Then another for loop, let k is equal to j plus 1, k less than n minus 1. Okay. And the function, the first value is small letter. Okay, the function name, the first value is small letter. So we change it, and like there is not n minus 1, if less than n, k plus plus. Okay. Now we apply a condition. If nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k equal to 0, then const we can create a triplets variable. We pass the value of nums of I, nums of j, like this is under array, nums of I, nums of j, nums of k. Okay. Now we can sort this array also using sorting function -b. Okay, now sorting can be done. Now we set a key, const key is equal to triplets dot key. Let dot I convert this into string. So this are key. I'm now write if condition, so there is no duplicate, element if the result dot sum r is equal to r dot to string for equal to key. Then result dot push the triplet. Okay, triplets. Now return the result and last return result. Okay. Now we control run it to check it working or not. Console dot log hyphen input -1 0 1 2 -1 -4 3. Okay. Now you run our function. So you see in the output they can create the different group of array. So this is our first approach. Now we following another approach. This is the brute force approach. Now we following optimized approach. Rows 3 approach 2. Now we in the first we write a function name 3 from, then pass the num, then first sort the nums a b, then a b. Okay, a minus b for e. Now what we do, we first create a array in which we store the result. Now apply for loop, let initialize with 0, I less than num dot length -2. Okay, then increase the counter, then apply if condition, if I greater than 0, and then num of I equal to num of I -1. So you can continue. Okay, then we apply initialize the some variable like left variable is equal to I +1, I +1, initialize right variable is equal to length of the array, length of the -1. Okay, then apply while loop in this, while if left less than right. So const create a variable for sum is equal to num of I plus num of left plus num of right. Okay, now we check the conditions. If sum equal to 0, so result dot push num of I num of left. Okay, and num of right. Now we push them. Now we skip the duplicates, we write the skip duplicate function also here, while num of left equal triple equal to num of left plus 1. Okay, then finally left plus then another while loop to check right num of right equal to num of right minus 1, then right minus. Okay, so now increment the left counter and right decrement, then apply else if condition for if sum is less than 0. Okay, if sum is less than 0, then left plus and right minus. Okay, now we finally return the result. Okay, now we console log our answer, console.log. Now three sum, we write random values minus 4, 5, 8. So now we run our function. Now if there is only one group created using this, we give some another number. Okay, now we run. For in this also there are 3 groups. So this is our solution using the optimized approach. And if you have any doubt, comment it. Follow Coding for Dev for more videos.